How to sign in to IG trading application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to sign in or log into IG application on your smartphone, then the first thing to do is to launch open the IG trading app on your phone, and once you're inside the login page, go ahead and enter your respective details. First of all, you'll need to enter your email or username associated with your IG account. Enter the details that you previously created while signing up for IG. Once you are done typing it in, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgotten Your Details at the bottom and follow through the password reset process. Make sure to type in your password correct every time you log in. And if you'd like the system to remember your login details, toggle on this little button at the bottom and you can choose whether you want the system to remember your email or both password and email. Finally, tap login and you'll be able to get back to your IG trading account with the correct credentials. Never share your password with anyone. And if you are using a public device, always make sure to log out of your account once you are done with IG. So signing into IG group is quick once your account is set up. Just enter your login details and you're ready to access the trading platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.